Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it. So today, ASST is still number one for today, guys. This stock from yesterday, we discussed it. When was around the $2. Right now, it is around the 5. Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it. Good morning, Sally. Good morning. Arizona, from Arizona, George. Good morning, my brother. NVAX is up 30% after the earnings. Thank you for the reminder. Yeah, it's really huge, 30%. I agree. Bonjour day. Aujourd'hui, c'est juillet férié, or what we say is the end of the World War II, I think. So I think all in Europe is vacation time here, guys. Assalamu alaikum, Abyss. Good morning. So ASST, as we discussed, guys, it was really great from yesterday. We discussed it here before the breakout yesterday around the $2.29. And we hit our targets. Our hunter already took their profit on ASST. Dexter, great hunt for ASST, man. Was really good for us from yesterday. MLGO, any good? Waiting for your response. Night Trader, ask about MLGO. MLGO, as we said, guys, it was good for a reversal from the bottom. We already reversed from the bottom, the $2.21, and the resistance is around the 3. We already discussed it earlier on our live stream, brother. We said the $3 is the resistance. If we don't break it, it means we flush. So far, so good. As long as we hold the $2.21, we're going to accumulate and then go toward the $3.40. So yeah, we already found bottom for MLGO. For Tim, Jason, I think, let's check. Tim is a bit slow, man. We have to break the 216 to reverse, so nothing much happening for TEM, man. We have to break the 216 to reverse from this flush that happened during the earnings. Today we have to watch for the support 202.72. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, ASST. We have a huge jump and dump yesterday here. We have a huge pump today in pre-market. And we have another breakout here from this trend, and now it's trending down again. So far, so good. Not bad. We need to break this ascending channel to squeeze up. For ASST today, we expect a huge breakout here at the market open or a huge flush. As you can see here, guys, we are on the verge of a breakout. Any moment. If we broke this trend, we're gonna squeeze. HIMS, what a nice dip, guys. It hit our support, the 49.50. It was good dip. 53.84 is the current resistant now. DGLY flush yesterday 90% and now reversing 40%. Webull trying to break out from the 17. ZKIN, I don't like it that much. NV and NI still below the resistance. So yeah, SST is still number one. Let us check if we got something else. We got WGRX. Could be good. But yeah, I don't like it. The technical is not that beautiful. We have to check, I think, one of the stocks. WBuy, I don't like it. Some of you asked me during our live streaming on Discord, and we checked it. I don't like the trend that much. We got the earnings for NVAX. Let's check this one out. Yeah, 18%. So pumped and dumped. Now it's just 18% from the 30% because we almost hit the target around this resistance. Yeah. Current support now for NVAX is over the 660. If we held the 660, would be good for reversal and going up again. But I don't like this pullback. It was really drastic. Today we have a huge earning, guys, for Coinbase and Mara. Crypto doing all right. Bitcoin especially almost hitting the 100K. You see, we did a really nice move for many coins. Dogecoin recovering as well from the bottom around the 13 cent. Yeah, today we expect a huge day for the market, especially the SPY held the current support, the 555. So we expect nice action for the market. 4% for all crypto stocks, not bad. Palantir started to reverse yesterday and today as well after the earnings. SMCI, the same, guys, recovered after the earnings. ASST, guys, we got a flag going on here. We need to break this flag to squeeze. We got earnings for QUPTS or QPTS. Yeah, let's check this one out. 23 already, yeah, already hit the 911, which is the current resistant. I'm not talking about the 9/11 events in the United States. I'm talking about the price. Okay, so QBTS is pulled back because we got shorted below our resistance. Yeah, we got good earnings. I think today pre-market, yes. Yeah, QBTS, guys, could be good. DW Wave Quantum could be really good if we held the 783 for today. So I'm gonna keep it on the list here. ASST from yesterday, as we said, guys, we did a really good job yesterday hunting for ASST. Last exit, it was around the 333 fell price. 333 exactly. And Dexter already took his profit as well for today. How's food shopping, man? Hopefully you enjoying your food shopping with your dog, man. Doing great with ASST, taking profit. Dexter killing it today for ASST. From yesterday, as a reminder, guys, ASST and HIMS, both of them were really great trade from yesterday hunt. As you can see here, the entry we said the 2.29. If you're wondering about those chart analysis and alerts, we always do it on our Discord. So if you want to join our Hunter channel on Discord, I will just put the link down below. Don't confuse Patreon Discord with the YouTube membership, guys, because some of you joined our YouTube membership and asked me about Discord and why he can't have access to our Patreon only content. So if you want to have access to our Patreon plus Discord, this is the link. I just put it on the YouTube membership or YouTube live chat section. You are welcome, George. George, can you send me a message on Patreon in order to send you the link for our Discord? Because I don't know if your name is the same as Patreon. So just send me a message on Patreon in order to send you the link to our Discord, the invite link. Coding phase, let's go toward the 10. Yeah, it's a psychological level to go toward the 10. SMCI back to 30. It's only will go toward the 30 if it broke the resistance. ASST, we have a flag here to break, Donald. We have to break this flag. The current resistance is 850, around the 850 or 580. Yeah, 583. But now we're still below or inside this flag. Guys, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, show some support to our channel. Let's go. W buy, we already discussed, we talked about it earlier today. It's not good, man. I don't like it. Ahmed asked about GPUS. GPUS. I think it is on the other list. I put it on the other list. Is here. Yeah, it is interesting play right now. We have a strong support around 695. Is about to break from the 830. Yes, it is good, man. Thank you for the reminder. GPUS looking fantastic for the $10. Have a psychological level as well around the $10. Yeah, this one looking great, guys. The ultimate target is almost the 11. So GPUS, I'm gonna put it on the main list, guys. Yesterday did 30% and today almost 30% again. Let us double check all the stocks that we traded before. MLGO is still holding. Have a huge flush yesterday, 30%. Marine, it could be good if we broke the resistance currently around 146. So Marine is not that bad. Kids, we got a huge pullback for kids. It's getting near a nice bottom. So kids and Marine, for my opinion, looking interesting for today or the rest of the week. RGC, the same, look really interesting with CEP, guys. So I'm gonna put kids, CEP, and RGC on the main list or the waiting list. With Pony, yeah, Pony is the same, looking really great. So let us put, no, CMAY is game over, I think. So yeah, we got those, the stock that I'm watching. I'm gonna put them on the main list, all of them. Okay. So those the stocks on the main list. GPUS, guys, looking great. I'm gonna keep it on the main list with ASST because now it is about to squeeze everybody. Look at this trend. The trend is really beautiful. The current support for GPUS now is around the 690. Current resistance 838 and profit is around the 9 and the 1097 is the ultimate target. ASST, guys, is preparing for a breakout here. Golden face, you got lucky, man. Don't do it next time. Don't do it. Yeah, now you could do a train stop. So you don't have to exit, because if you exit it, it's really hard to enter again. ASST is like riding a rocket. You have to be in a rocket from the start. Otherwise, you can't get in the rocket while the rocket is on. So ASST, you have to be really critical to exit from the rocket, because if you exit it really quickly, you're gonna bend the, even the parachute will never work. STAI, not my cup of tea for today. Wannabe Wizard, yes, we already discussed ASST before even the breakout, man. ASST, the best entry was here. We discussed it yesterday in our Discord. Yesterday, as you can see here, we discussed HIMS and ASST. After we finished our live streaming here on YouTube, we did the short analysis update for another entry, because we entered many times yesterday. We took profit around the $2.29, then we took profit around the $3.33. We entered around the $2.29, and as you can see here, we took profit exactly the last one. It was around the $3.33. So RGTI, when you have a second, 8 tries, RGTI. Yo guys, ASST breaking out from the flag. We have another support now confirmed over here. We got the support to hold the $5 is the current support. Let us check G. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button on the way in. We always go live 30 minutes before the market open, and before that on our Discord MP3 on the link in comment section below if you want to join RGTI. RGTI, one of our elite member asked us about RGTI. 7% up. I don't like it that much, man. Nothing happening. It's a bit slow, jumping a bit. We have a target around the 11 and the 12. Current resistance, it is right now around the $10.08, and profit is around the 11 and 12. Support is the 9.17, but it's not a unicorn, man. It's not a unicorn. So SMCI, guys, we got the 34, man. The 34 is the target to break for today. ASST, it is breaking out before the market open. We might have, guys, the test around the 580, then flush down once the market opens. So be careful. This is a huge resistance, a huge seller here. If we broke it at the market open, we might get halted up. If we didn't, we're gonna flush down. The confirmation for flush for today if we broke the 5. Let us bring our disclaimer, because we got 2 minutes left, guys. 2 minutes, no more, no less. Disclaimer, remember guys, we're not financial advisor. Always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. And every day we go live 30 minutes before the market open to discuss the market. And after that, on our Discord and Bitcoin every day to do alert and entry zone for many stocks. Yesterday we did for ASST to enter around the $2.30, and this one is still jumping, guys. Yesterday we already took profit on it around the $3.33, and our hunter already took their profit again for today. Dexter killing it around this trade right now, and already stopped trading and going to bring his food. So enjoying the day off, brother, after the great hunt for ASST. For today, guys, ASST could be a top gainer for today. So let's dive deeper and discuss the market for today. Guys, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, because we always do daily live streaming. Let's get right to it, guys. 5 minutes left. 3, 2, 1. Left off. Let's go to the moon. 64% ASST. We have humongous test right now is coming around the 8:30, guys. We might have a flush right now, so be careful. 8:30 should be the turning point and test for ASST before we might have a flush. So be careful. ASST is doing fantastic at the moment. We might have any time soon a breakout or haltation. Whoa, we have a huge jump toward the $6 ASST going to the moon landing. $6 guys, and doing more. $6.15. This is it. We have we might have a fake out guys here for this resistance. We don't have a hold up, so be careful. We have a huge wick around the 615. Yeah, we might have a huge pullback right now. Yes, be careful guys. We have a wick. What does mean is there's a huge seller. We might have a flush right now. You see, a huge seller came around the 580. So we got a fake out guys, a fake out. Be careful. This is not normal. We should have held over the 580. GBUS is still holding here, so it's good as long as we hold the 695. HIMS is still holding. Webull is still holding. NVNI nothing. This one is completely nothing. QPTS is still holding. Marina nothing. Okay, we're trying again, guys. We're trying again for ASST. This time we have to break the 580 again. ASST is still holding the current support, the $5. I think it's better to take profit here, guys. I don't trust it that much around this level. Yeah, I don't trust it that much. If we broke and held, maybe I will enter again, but now I don't like it that much. ASST, guys, is too dangerous here, guys, after this wick. If we held over the 583, it could be good, but now I think we have a big seller here. Huge seller around the 583. GPUS, the same. We have a big seller around the $8.24. HIMS, we have a nice buyer over the 49. We might have a squeeze up. So the main one are HIMS, GPUS, and ASST. ASST, it might squeeze now if we held over the 583. If we held, we'll be good. Otherwise, we're gonna flush. Yeah, we're holding. Nice. Okay, ASST, now we have a confirmation, guys. Nice. It's jumping. We might get halted right now for ASST. Let us check the market. SMCI looking great. Palantir looking fantastic. Coinbase have earnings today, still below the resistance. Mara the same. The SPY doing all right, still in green. So ASST is still holding. Nice. ASST is still the main event for today, guys. Is still the main event for today. It was undecided, guys, for ASST. That's why I suggest for a bit for selling, because we got shorted here. The good thing is we didn't flush below the 5, and we have a breakout. So once we broke here, it was game on again. So guys, just remember, if we go back in time, if we go to another universe, here, this candle, this is a big warning sign. If we broke down or we got halted down, will be game over. For this one, we have another buyer just came again around the 540, and this time we squeeze. And this is give us a confirmation. Just this candle, okay? Just this candle give us a confirmation. But never say, oh, I wish I never sold, or I wish I stayed. Guys, this is the worst case scenario you could do for the next trade, because the next trade, if you did the same and you held, you could lose a lot of money by just holding and wishing the price will reverse. Just always take profit if you have this kind of signal, because this has never happened for many stocks. Usually stocks flush down after a rejection like this. The same as like in real life, like you ask for a girl number and she told you, oh, I don't know, I can't, maybe, I don't know. If you see hesitation, some guys pressure the girl to give them their number, but this is a red flag. There's no connection from the start, so you don't have to pressure it, you know? So let it go. This is the problem with people. They never let things go, you know? They say, what if, I should, I could have, I should have stayed, I should have did this, that. Never do that, man. This is a recipe for disaster and a big regret in life. So now we got ASST got halted. Let's see which stock got halted again. Let's see. WGRX is halted. ARKZ is halted. ASST is halted. W buy. RGC. Okay, I'm gonna check WGRX. ARKZ and BUJA. I'm gonna check those three very quick. Uh-huh. WGRX is going down a lot. This one going a lot. RGC is halted down. Yes. So I'm gonna take it from the list. CEB, take it from the list. Kids is still light on volume, so it's not for today. QBTS. We have a question here. JBUS to the moon. QBTS is went down. NVNI, no good. Weeble, still nothing. GPUS, guys, is going up. Yeah, to the moon, exactly. It broke the resistance, now is going toward the 9. The 9 is the current resistance now for GPUS. HIMS is still moving. So yeah, the main one is GPUS and ASST, guys. The top stocks to trade. WBuy got halted. I don't know, is down, up or down? I think it's down. Let's see. Let's see. WBuy. Holy baloney. Reverse split 1 to 120. So it's not good for today. ASST is halted around the 644. Top target, for my opinion, is the 763, guys. I expect a huge, unfathomable, unimaginable pullback around the 763. Yeah, 763, guys. It is the current resistance to pull back from. So I expect a pullback. I'm gonna adjust now the support for this trade. Yeah, the support now is around the 572. Or I'm gonna lower it down here. 561. ASST is unhalted, guys. 561, it is the current support to hold if we want to squeeze up. ASST toward the 763. Guys, 763 should be the ultimate target. Now, if we pull back, we need to hold the 560 to go toward the 760. We have a pullback. Pullback is coming. It rise Palantir. Palantir for today doing great, is going toward the resistance, brother, around the 116. So we expect a resistance right now for Palantir. Palantir have a support currently over this gap, the 110.56. So we need to hold it. And current resistance to test is the 116.90. If we broke it, it mean we're gonna squeeze up. If we didn't, it mean we pull back. But yeah, Palantir did really great. And now ASST, guys, is still holding the current support. Currently, the support looking great over the 560. How everybody doing? What a crazy day today, man. What a crazy day to be alive. Merger and Bitcoin about to hit 100K. This is going to at least 950 and will continue to go higher. Which one now? You mean ASST? MLGO, guys, visited the bottom, now started to reverse from the 2.21. $3 is the current resistance. ASST is still consolidating here. Code and Face, don't be biased, man. I think you put all your money in ASST and you wanted to go toward the $10 to buy your house. I can feel it, man. You see, this is the trick when you buy something. This is the psychology. Every time, even you buy shoes, your shoes will be really most valuable to you and so precious because it's not just the shoes, because it's a piece of identity belong to you. That's why it's tricky. When you buy something, it's really tricky. Your psychology will tell you this stock is the best. It's not just stock, but even clothes and anything like you buy. That's why when I buy a new phone, I try to break it from the first day. I break the screen, so I pretend that I don't like it. I don't like to be attached to anything, guys, because this is a kind of dangerous game. Because the things that you own will end up owning you. This is the trick. Good morning, everybody. So ASST found a bit of resistance around the 666, the devil number. GPUS is pretty much strong right now. It's breaking the current profit taken. GPUS. So we technically we got only two stocks, guys, for today. GPUS and ASST. GPUS and ASST. GPUS is much stronger right now. jumping toward the $10. We have a psychological level around the 10, then the 11. QPTS guys have earnings, but I don't like what's going on right now. It's pulling back a lot. The short seller added their position around the 9. Palantir is getting near a resistance, the 116.92. Tesla doing great as well, jumping 4%. SMCI struggling a bit. Yeah, it's pulling back a little bit. Crypto stocks doing all right. The SPY doing all right. Nvidia did a great job yesterday. Now it's pulling back. AMD, what a fantastic move after the earnings. We have mixed feeling for AMD. The earnings were good after our Tuesday. Jumped up, jumped down, jumped up, jumped down, now jump up. It's crazy what's going on with AMD. We got undecision, but now we have a confirmation for a big buyer. So AMD looking great, guys, for a swing. Yeah, it looks strong. ASST, guys, is pulling back toward the support. GBUS, yeah, is hot. I agree. Broke the 9, exactly. What's going on? The most stocks are falling. Which stock, man? Everything's going good here. Zcar, my friend. Zcar, no good anymore, man. We got 2 reverse split last year in October and now in March. A lot of reverse split, man. It's heavily diluted. Zcar will be great if we broke the 1436, but now I will not touch it. No good, my brother. ASST, guys, is pulling back before the 760. So the 763 is still our target. Now the $6.66 is the target to break. Now we have a pullback. We'll see if we hold the 560. Would be great. I'm gonna lower the support just in case around 546, guys. So this is the warning sign, guys. If we held over the 543, will be great. If we didn't, it's mean game over. And I think the flush will start. So the 543 is the strongest support to hold. GPUS, the same. We have a warning sign around the $8.25. We need to hold this level to go toward the 10. HIMS still didn't break the resistance around the 53. Weeble and Kids is still below. We have huge stocks to watch out for today, guys. Many stocks. CVNA reporting earnings doing crazy good now. 8%. And now it's going almost toward the 300. Shopify have earnings pre-market. It went up, but now, yeah, now it's reversing from the bottom. I was wishing to go for Shopify to go more down around the 74 or $80 at least, but we didn't. Now it look all right for a reversal. We got bad earnings today. Good revenue, bad earnings. Yeah, Palantir, guys, now time for a little pullback because we hit the target 116. That's why we have a bit of struggle to break here. TEM. TEM. Tem, not TEM, yes. Tem, brother, have earnings or had their earnings on Tuesday, 2 days ago. Got support around the 53.69, bottom 47.55. Resistance has been tested currently around the around the 61.48. Current profit is around 65 and 73. This is for Tem. How everybody doing? Yeah, Palantir doing all right here, but I think it's got near a resistant now for Palantir guys. 116.92 should be a huge resistant. I think the main resistance is here around the 118.16. And after that, we got the 122. But yeah, it's back to test around the 118, then we're gonna flush to have a correction. Now we're gonna go back to ASST. Holy baloney. ASST, guys, is halted down. No good, guys. Be careful. ASST is flushing down. ASST is currently flushing down. Broke the first support. It's too dangerous now. Yeah, now we got support to hold over the $5. GPUS, on the other hand, is still doing a new high around the 950. Target is just below the 11. So yeah, GPUS, it is the main one. Let us check if we got stocks getting halted now. ASST is halted down. We got JZ or JZ, not the musician. This is the stock JZ. JZ is got halted. JZ could be good for later. Not bad. We got WBuy got halted many times, man. But the technical, man, is not that good. Yeah, it's not that good. Let us double check if we got something else moving. Top gainer for today, we got ASST, GPUS, ZKIN, we got STKL. Volume is 500K, 800K, 300 SEZL. They're light on volume, so I think they are not good. Yeah, not good. So we're waiting for ASST to get unhalted, guys. Be careful. If we broke the 5, will be game over, technically. QUBTS. QBTS, man, I don't like it. I don't like the trend. ASST. Yeah, we're waiting for this one to get unhalted, guys. $5 should be a good reversal zone if we held it. Now is too dangerous, man. This play, to be honest, is too dangerous now. Current resistance we might test is 580 after the unhalting if we reverse up. So JZ guys is halted up. I'm expecting a resistance coming up around 132. We might test this level first. You see, we don't break the $1.32. ASST is still halted down. GPUS is still scrolling, going slowly up. Strong, no flush yet. Any moment we're gonna get unhalted. The resumption is at any moment. Palantir 5%, almost getting the 6%. As we discussed, guys, Palantir is going toward the 118 and expect a huge pullback after that. A correction is coming around the 118. Now it's kind of overextended. SMCI is reversing as well up. AMD, I'm gonna update the level for you, Jason. AMD doing all right. Have a resistance to break now around the 106. Current profit is 110, 115. Current support 100 and 125. ASST is unhalted. Right now, we might have a reversal here for ASST if we held the $5. Yeah, ASST, we expect a test for the 580. If we don't break the 580, it means this is it. 580 it is the current resistance, guys, for ASST. Wow. ASST is still getting hammered by the sellers. $5. You see, this is the word that everybody use. I should have sold on this price. I could have. I should have married this person. I should have traveled. You never know, man. You just go with the first impulse. Never think twice. Never say these words, man. Because even if you took profit, 1 million profit, you will never be satisfied because you think that you could have got 5 million instead of 1 million. And some people wishing of getting just 10,000 to pay the rent. You see, it's always about perspective and never think twice about your decisions, because there's no perfect exit. There's always like, I could have. If you go back in time, you could have done it better every time, man, for everything. So let it be, man. Let it be. Let it go. That's why I think the hardest thing to master is not trading, is not making money, is not like being healthy. No, no, no. Is the art of letting go. Never think about even bad decision. Even if you, God forbid, killed someone, you don't go back in time as you say, I should have like run this guy in the road and killed him. This is meant to be. Like you can't actually change time, man. Something happened, just go with it. So now, guys, even if I made an accident or whatever, or something really tragic happened to my life, I would never say I could have, I should have, and never, I should have taken the airplane. So I should have never done this or that. Because even if you go back in time, like, if you think about it, you might alter the human race by not doing what you should do at that day. David, yeah, easy to say. Already did this, man. Already did that before. I set a sell order and never triggered because my broker never actually triggered my sell order, and I lost the trade a lot of money because I did a sell order instead of market order. And the price went to my level, but the broker didn't close my trade. And this is, I still remember like yesterday, this is the reason that I stopped trading Forex. Because I put a lot of money and I was really confident by my sell order. And I know that the price will go there. And I saw like a huge wick already entered my sell order, but my broker make an excuse. They said, sorry, but there's no much buyer for your order because your order is too big. So this is the excuse, and I lost a lot of money because the order not didn't triggered. So I couldn't do anything. I was blaming myself, blaming the broker. So I got in a blaming game. So the only thing that I could do is letting go. George, you are welcome. Thank you, man. ASST testing our support right now, $5. If we held, we're gonna reverse. If we didn't, we're gonna flush. Simple as that. GPUS, man. GPUS is still strong. JZ, JZ, tricky JZ. $1.44 is the current resistance now. Okay, so JZ is still okay, guys. We have HIMS breaking the resistance. Webull is still in the sideways trading. So I'm gonna keep those top trade for today. Could be good. Palantir. Palantir is getting near a major resistance, guys. So now we might have our pullback that we were waiting for. Yeah, we might have our pullback now for Palantir. Yeah, I checked NOVX, man. Already checked it. ASST found a bit of support here. ASST, finally, we've got a reversal from our support, the $5. Maxwell paradox is not my philosophy, man. This is the Greek, the what is called, the philosophy has been always there from the Greek methodology and Greek philosophers, and I think it's called I forgot the name. Okay, I think I know. It's Stoic, yeah. Stoic belief. It's really hard, man, to be Stoic 100% because sometimes I forget to remember where I come from and how small I am and how fragile and how simple life is. If we want it to be simple, we can make it simple, but we complicate everything. We overthink things, man. Sometimes the answer is really front of us, you know? Sometimes the answer is just front of you, but with overthinking, you make it complicated and you just go in the rabbit hole of overthinking and depressing about your choices that you never made and regrets. And yeah, always take profit. Yeah, this is the simple answer. Just take profit or do trading stop, even better. MLGO is up. ASST is up as well, guys. MLGO is up really good now. Yeah, MLGO squeezing from the bottom, testing the $3. Thank you for pointing this out to us, guys. MLGO, I'm gonna put it on the main list because it started to squeeze from the bottom. So MLGO testing the $3, our resistance. ASST started to reverse from our support, the 5. GPUS is still strong, guys, and holding the first support. So yeah, we're gonna do a major update later on, guys, on our Discord. Yesterday we did this hunt for ASST, the main event from yesterday. We suggested the entry around the $2.29, around this orange line. After we finish our live streaming, we always do a update alert for mini stock. Yesterday we did ASST and HIMS. Both of them were really good and give us a nice profit, especially ASST. We have a nice profit yesterday. Our hunter already took their profit yesterday. Dexter make a killing on ASST. Great hunt, brother. And now we're gonna update again on our Discord and Patreon, guys, for ASST, GPUS, JZ, and MLGO, which pumping from the bottom right now. Remember to join us, guys, on our Discord if you want to alert, of course, if you want updated level for those stocks. In the meantime, see you all back by tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open. Stay blessed, and of course, shout out and to our European hunters, because today is the memorial, I think, for the end of World War II. So shout out or big warm welcome to all our European and any warrior is still there. I don't know if you some people still alive from World War II, but yeah, warm welcome to all our European hunters. Because today is the memorial of the Second World War II, the end of World War II. I don't know if United States you celebrate that too, because here in Europe we celebrate it. Your Patreon is full. What you mean, wannabe? Uh, yeah, I think on the first level, maybe. The first level already sold out. Check the king level, the second level, I think it's open. If it's not open, I will make sure to open a place for you right now. I will double check right now, brother, if it's already sold out. Let me just double check, man. Yeah, the first level is sold out, man. We have the king and the elite level is available if you want to enter. This is it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and of course, see you back by tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open. And early hunt live streaming every day before the market open on our Discord and Patreon to discuss the markets and have a watch list. Prepare the market before it's open, because usually all the hunts happen in the pre-market, guys. All the action happen in the pre-market. So join us early. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.